All right, we got this Redliro 2-in-1 under the desk treadmill and walking pad. Right now it's in treadmill mode as we have this piece that goes up over the top, which in just a second I'll fold it down. For now, keep it in treadmill mode. We're gonna come down here, press this button, turns on, and then we're gonna come up here and I'm gonna press the P right here. See, it sets to P0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That goes all the way to 12. And basically what you can do for each of those modes is you set a timer for each of them. And so you can set the timer up or down, whatever you want to set it at. From here, I'm just going to run through, say you don't even want to worry about that, you just want to go through the mode. You can set the timer right there, then you press mode again. It goes to distance. You can set the distance, press mode again, it goes to calorie, and you're good there. So we're just gonna hit start. And I'm gonna clip this. This is the emergency clip, where if you fall or whatever, it's gonna automatically shut off, or whatever you need it to shut off. So it's going right now. The amazing thing about this treadmill, a lot of treadmills like this, they only go up to not even 4 miles per hour. This one goes up to 7.5 miles per hour, which I actually can't even do because I have a groin injury. But straight up, dude, that alone is amazing. And as you can see, starting to go pretty fast. 7.5 miles per hour, that's a good speed. Like that's a good, as I was saying, I can't even do it because I have a groin injury. So it's still speeding up. I'm actually just gonna slow it down because I am already feeling my groin. So, so there we go. And say I were to fall or I would go back, you press this out, pull that out, it stops. As you can see, it just immediately stopped, immediately. So I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna clip this, or unclip it, put it up here. And now I'm gonna go into the walking pad mode. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna come down over here and I'm gonna loosen that on that side. Come over here, loosen it on this side as well. And now it goes back like so. And just so you see how lightweight this is, this holds 220 pounds, but very lightweight. It's got wheels on the bottom, so it easy to store, very portable, just easy to use. So now we are in walking mode. So you can put this under, say you have a desk or whatever, you have a standing desk, put this under your standing desk, you're good to go. So we got this. You basically press that to turn it on. So it's starting. Sort of has the same settings as we had up top, but since we're in walking mode, the max speed is 4. So that's the max speed, which straight up, dude, if you're working on your desk, you don't need 4, like that's too fast. You're not gonna need it to go up to 4 miles per hour. But this thing's amazing. You're like almost about to start running, but you're not quite. But as you can see, like this is a fast walk. If you're working, you're gonna want to slow it down quite a bit. But this thing, as you can see, straight up, dude, this is a very high quality under the desk treadmill, and you need to get it. Highly recommend.